Let's practice Virabhadrasana II, Warrior II pose. Begin in standing Tadasana. From Tadasana, step your feet wide apart. And you can approximate the distance by extending your arms, and there should be about a straight line from your wrist down to the outside edge of your feet. And that's about as wide as you'd like to start with your pose. From here, bring the right toes in, left toes out, so that the right toes are about a 45 angle from the short edge of your mat. Right toes are pointing straight forward. There's a natural slight shift in the hips, and that's okay because this back leg is internally rotating. The thigh is drawing inward. With the front leg, you're externally rotating so that the top of the left thigh is moving to the left here. Like in Tadasana, to find strong foundation in the feet, you can choose to lift and spread the toes while you're practicing this posture if you wish to gain some strength in the smaller ankles or muscles of the ankles and the feet. Or you can keep the action of lifting the arches while you relax the toes onto the floor. And from here, you can practice just by focusing on the legs by keeping your hands on your hips, or if you'd like, extend your arms out to the side. Inhale here, and exhale as you gaze down at the front knee. See that the knee tracks straight forward until it ends on top of the ankle. A tendency in this pose, many people tend to cave the knee in forward of the front leg as they move forward. And this puts unhealthy strain on the ligaments of the knee. So you want to really watch that front knee and see that it's tracking directly over the ankle and not in or back. A great alignment for the knee is that it is vertically aligned over the ankle. If you come into the pose and you notice that your knee can go beyond the ankle, then just scoot the toes forward until you're in proper alignment. If you choose, extend the arms and gaze over the front fingertips. Draw the tailbone down toward the earth, scooping under, and then lift the chest and extend through the fingertips. Breathing here. So your inhale, think about lengthening through the crown, opening the heart. Exhale, perhaps sinking slightly deeper into the pose. You don't have to physically move on the exhale. You can just imagine sinking deeper and going further within. The tendency for the back knee is to kind of bend a little here. So keep engaging the knee, straightening the leg, and then rooting through the outside edge of that back foot. Inhale to straighten the knee and come up. Exhale, hands to your hips, gaze forward, and point the toes forward. And we'll set up for the opposite side. So starting with the back leg, angling in, front toes pointing straight out. The heel of the front foot is in line with the the arch of the back foot. Inhale here. Exhale, watching the knee to track over the ankle. Straightening the back knee, lifting the kneecaps, engaging the quads, and rooting into the outside edge of the back foot. Root into the base of the big toe of the front foot. Inhale, extend the arms. Exhale, perhaps sink deeper. Tuck the tailbone under, grow the chest tall, and exhale. Find your breath in this pose. And if it's uncomfortable for the neck to gaze over the fingertips, you can also choose to look forward. Inhale, straighten the knee. Exhale, hands to the hips, gazing forward, toes come forward. And then step your feet together. So that was Virabhadrasana II, Warrior II. Namaste.